Hi, I'm Jada and welcome to my channel. And in this video, it's going to be a Divine Feminine's message for you. And in this video, I'm just going to pull cards for what you need to hear right now. But the title of this video, I got, Don't You Wish Your Girlfriend Was Hot Like Me? It's like the song, you know. Yeah. But that's what I got for this Divine Feminine reading. So I'm gonna pull out cards that's meant for you to hear right now. So yeah, so that's the title of your video, Divine Feminines. And hello, I hope you're doing good. Okay, and if you're not doing okay, then that's okay. It's okay to be not okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna pull cards and I'm gonna give you what comes out for a message for you, Divine Feminines. And yeah, so here we go. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Oh my god. Okay. I think it lost. It's funny. Okay. Okay. A couple cards. Five cards. Okay. Don't you get ball? Okay. 5 cards. Oh gosh. Okay. One more card. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Awesome. Alright. Alright, so I have 5 cards for you. Get comfortable right quick. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Gotcha. So okay. So first we have the 2 of Wands. The 6 of Cups. Oop. Sorry. The 4 of Pentacles, reverse. The Knight of Pentacles. And the Lovers. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. This card is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Alright, so he's just gonna be oh sorry, I'm very goofy. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, and these are channel messages, and these are channel messages as well, from what I'm getting from messages from Spirit as well. So just let you know that as well. And this is a timeless reading. Beautiful Divine Feminines. He wants to offer you something. Your Divine Masculine. It doesn't have to be be a male, because like it doesn't matter the gender, but the person has the masculine energies. This person wants to, well, your person wants to offer you something. I'm getting that it's a surprise. And I heard, wait for it. Things will become clear to you soon. Only a matter of time. So don't worry about if you're going to, well, don't worry about if he's going, well, whether or not he's going to come or not. Over the 2 of Wands of the woman, she's like waiting and looking outside of one picking up. I want to get the getting with the Six of Cups. There's a like a third party interference here because I see a child and the man with his dog by his side and the baby by the dog by the puppy as well. I feel like there's like a third party interference who's trying to like stop the connection from happening because they know how much a person loves you. I heard think about you all night. So I heard from the divine masculine's side. I'm gonna get with the Nine of Pentacles. I'm getting to like there's like I heard like pick up your pentacles and leave. That's what I heard. And like I feel like this person, sorry, your person. I feel like he's not ready to leave. Well, he or she is ready to like leave their life behind. I'm gonna give him the Knight of Pentacles. I'm hearing that I dreamt of you forever. So you're probably in this person's dreams as well. I heard take a chance. I feel like he wants to offer you something, even though like I feel like he's not ready for it to like I heard I'll reunite and to be with you again. Or even just like talk to you again. But I feel like someone has been holding your person's back. Like something's is like holding your person back. And I feel like it's this third party interference. I also heard the name Sandra as well. So if you know someone named Sandra, or your name is Sandra, or your person's name is Sandra, that's what I heard from this. Well, that's what I picked up and channeled. I heard Amsterdam, New York, Chicago, London, France. I'm hearing like lots of places that your person might be. When I give them the Knight of Pentacles, it's like I felt all those places strongly. Of one of those places that I just mentioned that your person is probably in right now, or you're at currently. It's like I feel it strongly. That like there's like connection there to like the person who's living in these places that I just mentioned. I feel like the person wants to visit you. That's why he's like trying to leave it all behind. See, Pentacles like falling out, or just like falling out, and just like landing here. Just with the other Pentacles that's just sitting there, and he's like walking away from it. It's like that. It's like he wants to come see you. I heard that the divine math, well, your person's, like, the third party interference. I heard that, like, they hate you, or they don't like you. Like that's what I heard from when I was, like, reading off of this Six of Cups card. I feel like they envy you, like, a lot. It's like, I don't mean bring any negativity in this reading, but that's what I feel like right now. What I'm getting with the Six of Cups right now. It's like they don't like you. Hi y'all. Sorry about that. I'm back. Okay, so yes, so I feel like with the Six of Cups, I feel like the third party in fairness does not like you. Like, I feel like they envy you, like, a lot. It's like, I feel that, like, strongly. And also like this guy actually looks a little sad. I don't know if it's me, but like, he looks a little sad right now. Like, his face, you can see, like, I don't know, but that's what I see right now. It's like he looks a little sad. But, like, he feels like he's like like stuck in a situation. It might be like regarding a child. I'm working with the baby here. And I feel like the person had to raise this child as well. Because since I see how like he's little, like the person was like a little boy, little child, and baby, and the puppy was the puppy, and then they both grew up, and now they're, like, you know, together. I feel like a person like talks about you a lot, and it may, like, annoy like the third party or, like, whoever he's, like, dealing with. I feel like it's a lover. Well, I heard a lover, a partnership, or a friend. I heard Lisa, Galvin, Trinity, Mercedes, Kevin, Calvin, Lorraine, Joseph, Katie, Warren, Peter, Josh, I heard Love and Tell. So I'm pretty sure a lot of the divine, well, your person's partner or friend or whoever is the, like, is a third party interference of what you resonate with. I feel like they know that, like, he's, like, a person still cares about you and still thinks about you a lot and talks about you. I heard level up. It's like I feel so drawn to the Six of Cups. Like, I feel so drawn to this card because, like, I feel deeply like a person, but also the third party as well. As I could just feel like the third party, like envy and, like, jealousy of you. It's like I feel it deeply. I heard don't expect. I heard like don't expect your person to, like, message you so quickly, because like this, because I'm still dealing with things that like they haven't like dealt with yet, of what I felt like. I mean, feel like right now. And so I'm channeling also. Yeah, I feel like, but Knight of Cups and, well, I mean, Pentacles, sorry, and the Six of Cups, I feel like the person is really going through something right now that like they're still trying to like let go of and like face right now, and I feel like they haven't fully like dealt with it or like face it yet. That's why they're holding back and like hesitating from moving forward to like talk to you or him to be like, or him to like be with you. Yeah, like that's what I feel like. It's just like this person isn't done with this third party interference, and the third party interference just keeps trying to like get in the way, because they know that like they don't leave like them for you, or just want to talk to you. Sorry. I heard London. Oh, okay, so with the Four of Pentacles in reverse, I feel like the city that she's like in, well, like the setting that she's in right now, the place, I feel like a person is like somewhere that's like probably like far away, cause like it looks like she's like in like somewhere that's like distant, like a place that's like distant lands of what I'm like feeling like and getting with this. I heard autumn. I heard proposal. Oh, make sure. Okay. Time's on. Yeah. So your person's like very far away from you. I feel like they like think about you at night as well. I'm getting sex on ice. I heard like they have like fantasies of you. You might be dealing with a Sagittarius of when again with the arrow under the tattoo on her shoulder. I heard Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Really, any sign like resonates with your person or you, but those signs that I just picked up. I heard Wyoming. I feel like y'all like feel this connection like very strongly, and I feel like it keeps getting stronger. So I feel like there's no use to like running away from it, of what I feel like, cause like I feel like they have something to say. And so I feel like very strongly that person has something to say to you, like I heard a proposal. Yeah, that's what I feel like right now. I'm getting. I heard a proposal is on the loose. Oh, I forgot what the lawyer's card. They feel like they missed their chance. Like they feel like they missed your chance with something that like they think that's they think that it's over, even though it's not really over. You know, it's just like they feel that strongly. It's not. It's kind of like unfinished. It's like unfinished business of what I'm getting. But I feel like there will be a time when I feel like everything's gonna happen in divine timing, as it should, cause right now, your person is still dealing with something that they haven't like fully dealt with right now, and like it could be regards to like anything in their lives besides like their own like partnership or acquaintance of like one picking up or a friend that's trying to get away of this like situation. But I feel like they see like shining, or that you're about to shine in your life. Yeah, I feel like this. I feel like that. Like some of you are doing the fire sign because I see a lot. I see a lot of red colors, like the little stick or whatever she's like holding in her hand. That's red. That's red. And the horse with with flags and stuff. It's cute, but yeah, it's red. Kind of red. The background is kind of like a reddish but oranges type of color. It's like mixed in. And then the dress that she's wearing, or the outfit she's wearing, is red also. So this has to be like a fire sign that that you're dealing with. I heard nothing is left set in stone. Yeah, like it's like it's like they're like letting go of stuff, like they're like releasing things so that they can like come to you. Ooh, oh, sorry. So that they can like come to you. But I feel like they have to deal with like, I heard a family matter as well. So I feel like it's a person that they're dealing with is a family member that's trying to get away of the connection with those who like resonate or who know or don't know. I feel that I heard mother. Sister. Auntie. Grandma. And family members. I thought that family like they know about this connection. Like it's like person must have told them. Yeah, like it's like your person knows that the family know that about you, basically. I heard two birds. I heard two birds of a feather flock together. I heard competition as well. I feel like someone's trying to like compete with you, even though they can't compare. Like, and it's like your person knows that. That's why they're walking away. Cause I feel like they're like fed up. Is what I'm like feeling like right now. I feel like they're like fed up with like what they're experiencing and what they're going through and who they're dealing with right now in their life. I heard Katie again. So your name might be Katie, or person name is Katie, or the third party name is Katie. But that's why I'm picking up that name again. Wow. It's I feel so strongly that like your person's third party or whoever that they're dealing with, they don't like you. Like it's like when I'm getting with the dark horse. It's like I feel their energy, and it's just not nice. I'm sorry, but it's just not nice. Like wow. I feel like they watch your social media, like your person and the third party, to see like what to see like what you're up to. Okay, so that's all I'm getting for you guys, Divine Feminines, for your reading today. Hope you enjoyed this reading. Like this video, a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you have a wonderful day, night, time. I mean, day or night, or like when you watch this video. And yeah, this is your reading for you, Divine Feminines. And this reading is timeless once again. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.